And now, welcome to Seattle. Okay, this is Seattle at night. Today is October 5, 2024. And ito po ang itsura ng Seattle sa gabi. Okay, Seattle, hindi ito masyadong busy na katulad ng New York, no? Yung tao ko dito mabagal maglakad, hindi siya masyadong matraffic. And yes, malamig din po rito. Malamig na malamig. Okay, so everything is so peaceful here. And everywhere, no? Amoy marijuana. Siguro nanggagaling dyan. Kasi baka may nagsisika sa ilalim ng marijuana. Okay? So, anywhere, no? We go. It smells like, no? Marijuana. Okay? Hello! Hi, Bea! Hello! That's my wife and my lovely daughter. Okay, kasama ko natin nagtutur dito ngayon sa ano po, no? Sa Seattle. Seattle is in Washington and Washington is in USA. Yeah. So lakad-lakad na tayo pauwi sa ating hotel. And it's now almost 9 o'clock. Hey, bilis patakbo ng mga tao rito ng sasakyan, mabilis. Parang sila nagmamadali sa sasakyan, I don't know. Parang gusto na parang nagkakarera, ganyan. So, yung Nordstrom, very popular po yun, no? Here in America for department store po yun, Nordstrom. Okay, tatayto tayo ngayon. Oo, yun o, parang nagmamadali para ate, oh. Pucha. Parang sila nagmamadali. Oo, iska, bilis. Ito maganda, scooter lab, oh. So, try natin. Ha? Scooter tayo? Try natin to. Sige. Okay. Ganda yan. Okay. So, it's almost 9 o'clock. And, yan. Ganyan lang ang tao rito. Buong araw, konti lang. I don't know. But, konti lang ang tao ito. Ayan, let's go, you know. Go na, oh.
Ay, go na pala. Kala ko.
Go, no. Scooter lang rito, oh. Oh, nice. Scootering around here in Seattle. Yeah. Okay. Maganda naman Seattle. Medyo hindi siya stressful. Kasi nga, wala namang halos naglalakad na tao, wala nagmamadali. Malaking bagay yun. Para hindi kayo ma-stress, no? Pumunta kayo sa city, lugar na konti lang yung tao at wala masyadong nagmamadali. Amen. And now, nandito na tayo sa ating hotel. Ang pangalan ng hotel natin is Motif. Okay, I will show you around para may idea ho kayo, no? Kung gusto nyo mag-check-in dito sa Motif here in Seattle, alam nyo yung tsura and presyo. Hey! May parking rates dito. Yan, o. Mahal ang parking dito, ha. Hindi biro-biro, ha. $58 per night, ha. Kung hindi ka guest. Okay. Power restaurant. Meron power restaurant sa baba. Okay. So, gusto nyo mag-gimmick, meron sa ground floor. Okay. So, let's get inside. Motif. Ano pa pangalan? Motif Seattle. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Magiging sa harapan, no? May nag-aapoy. Okay. Nag-aapoy doon, eh, oh. Yun, nag-aapoy, oh. Dati maraming apoy doon. Ha? So, meron ito sunog. Kailangan ito buhusan ng tubig. Tatawag kayo ng bumbero. Okay? Ang galing oh. Tunay ba yan? Oh, it's true. Tunay pala yan. Bea? Heater? Heater dito, pinapainit yung Seattle kasi masyadong malamig. Ha? Pinapainit yung buong Seattle. Okay, this is the heater of Seattle. Okay? Feel the heat? Ha? Okay, let's go. Let's go na. So kaya pala mainit sa Seattle dahil dyan. Let's go, let's go. Ah. Whoa, it's a wonderful night. Hey. Okay, let's get inside. Temperature now is 13 degrees. Okay, temperature na inside. Sige po, tingin na kayo rito. Tingin-tingin kayo para malaman nyo kung ano yung mga makikita nyo pag nagpunta kayo ng motif here in Seattle. Okay, ito favorite namin dito. Libre yung ano, libre tubig, libre yung apple. Libre yung apple pa?
Yeah. Local.
Ba?
Local.
Anong local? Ha?
Local siya, Washington.
Ah, local Washington. Hindi siya imported.
Yeah.
Okay. Local lang siya.
Kuhanan kita, try mo mamaya.
Okay, get one. What's this? Key, drop box. Saan yung canteen? Okay, let's walk. Check natin kanilang ano rito. Meron silang store dito. Convenience store. Okay, Finest Water by Fiji. And what do we have here? Okay, meron tayong beer and wine. Okay. Meron yung chocolates. Inside, meron tayong crackers. Crackers, milk chocolate. Okay. What's this? Almond. Okay, so meron yung mga drinks. Meron yung pastries, tinapay pala, bread, sandwiches. Okay, that's it. So that's it. Smart Snackers, pretzels, and yogurt. Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Okay na. That's it. Okay, this is our room, no? 1715 on 17th floor. Okay, let's get inside po. Let's check natin kung ano itong bathroom. Okay, let's check the bathroom. Okay, looks good. Pwede na rin. Yeah, looks very, very clean naman. Yeah, super clean. Okay. So, pwede na. Yung ka ng bathroom. Check nila itong... Okay. Meron plancha, extra kumot, pillow. And here, 2 queen-size beds. Okay. Pwede na. How much to how much? 14,000 pesos. Okay, the rate is 14,000 in pesos. Kano sa dollars naman yun? Oh, that's cheap ha. I get a good bargain ha. So we have a nice view here. Nasa 17th floor tayo. Okay. So it's a nice day today. Huh? Medyo malamig. Malamig nga lang din. Okay. Alright. Asan daw? Toink. Microphone yan. Gusto kumanta. No? Gusto may microphone? Okay, good. That's it. So, not bad. Pwede na rin to. Okay. Hello. Bye.